and the tea when I mix no blood clot sugar and Don have the show. Everybody else doesn't make no sense. T have a style about him where him can have that round table talk and carry dance somewhere. The only somebody over there makes sense is T. Everybody else is unprogressive and don't no blood clot. Let me explain something to you, Bing Bang, let me mix up in the Kool-Aid. The reason why T I go over you, not Nurse Brown, because you know Batman and your face look tough and you have a turtle, ninja turtle love age and him want cute man, so you're not attractive, so you're not horrible Nurse Brown. But why you know now is T have a style similar to Wolfie when they pan uptown. So Don a style and Don a hypocrite, so Don go and prove to pick T over you. So since T come in and TikTok lawyer come in, you never have no chance because T professional and the people that like him. TikTok lawyer just a try to be relevant, to try to make a name because TikTok lawyer just want bring bling down. And you need to watch the showdown with TikTok lawyer trying to bring bling down because that's all she need. And by the way, bling already bring down because everybody at turn gets bling. Do you realize that bling views drop?
I don't know what's going on with bling. I don't watch bling again.
Oh, why you don't watch bling again?
I don't deal with bling, so she don't deal with me, I deal with her. So that's it.
You deal with fuck out big pussy suck dead old Samantha stuck up in a dan. You deal with that?
We go for Dan, me and Dan, we in a mutual.
When you realize that
that's it.
Dan herself don't like you, them look for you as hypocrite. When you realize that is your yard, you have to understand that you used to power with me and bling and you go over there before everybody. You help contribute to Dan platform, but Dan is a girl like this. It's like she never liked you from day one. You built Dan platform. When nobody don't over Dan, you over Dan, and